Hi everyone, happy Friday. Today we're opening up Annie's Kit Club. I have two to open here today. I believe one is November, one might be December. Well, I'll find out when I open it. So Annie's Kit Clubs is awesome. For those of you that don't know, they have like 20 or I don't know, a lot of craft subscriptions. I get sent the Creative Woman of the Month Club where you get a new craft each month. It is beginner friendly, but also if you're advanced crafts, it's great for that too. It's family friendly. But I will link their website down below so you can check out all the different craft subscriptions. There's seriously so many. There's something for everyone, family, kids. It's just such a fun subscription because I love experiences. The older I get, the more I am into that. And this is like a subscription you get every month, and then you make something and you keep it forever. And they're always so fun. And I'm not naturally crafty, and I can do these. I'm thinking of doing a video where I do a few of the crafts because I've got some piled up, and I'm kind of caught up on unboxing. So if you'd like to see that, let me know. We can just like chat and make crafts together, maybe a live or something like that. But another great thing about these subscriptions are they're affordable. It's like $19.99, and I have a code with them to save 50% off, and that works on any of the subscription plans. So highly recommend, definitely check it out. And I have a bunch of these unboxings on my channel if you want to see what's in the past. Let's get started though. How are you guys, by the way? Hope you're well. Happy Veterans Day. Thank you to all veterans out there. Let's see. We got, ooh, cool. Let me see what month this is. I have like a little invoice here. So I believe this is November's right here. And we have blushing bracelets. Stunning matte pink aventurine. Oh my god, you guys, can you see I have crystals around? Pink aventurine, cool. I have a lot of green aventurine. Pink aventurine and wood starch bracelets are great to wear by themselves or stacked. Wow, I love crystal bracelets, but I've never made my own. Let me open this. This will be fun. Oh my gosh. I just realized I didn't put on any of my jewelry. Oopsie. It's okay. Reminder, now I have jewelry to make. So I love the little like pamphlet that comes with it because it gives step-by-step instructions with photos. And then they give helpful hints. Sorry, you might hear my cat and the scratcher in the background. So it tells you everything in your kit that you need. And anything you'll need outside the kit is pretty much stuff you already have at home, like a ruler, scissors, towel. So there's 5 different bracelet types. So 5 different patterns, I should say. And this looks pretty easy to follow. I'm excited about this. So very cool and very cute. And here it's like so nicely organized in here. You have the string and all the different beads. Very nice. I love it. Now let's see what is in this one here. Open for inspiration. I love that. I'm really trying to have like a creative outlet every day, be more creative, like express myself creatively. So I think this is a great way to do so. Ooh, I see some pink. Oh my god, look how beautiful those are. Let's see what month this one is. So this is October. Okay, so we're opening October, November. So how cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Pineapple placemats makes a set of 4. I love pineapples, by the way, guys. Let me move this to the side here. This is so cute, and oh my god, makes me thirsty. It's Friday. Let's get this open. Sorry, I just laughed a little loud. That was in the cotton camera. I love the colors, and this is good, like, to brighten your days on. It's getting like a little bit more fall. Look at these pink colors. I love green. I love all the colors. We have some like ribbon here. Here are the placemats, fabrics, and then here's some outlines here. Ooh, and here's some more stuff. Let's see. So, in your kit, and what you also is linen placemats, backing, stencils, paint, sponges, ribbons, sewing thread, sewing needle. And then you'll also need waxed or parchment paper, paper plate, scissors, tape measure. Iron is optional, and ironing board is optional as well. Helpful hints, just getting started. And look at it, step by step. These are so cute, you guys. Okay, I have a confession. I haven't opened this in a few months. and I have a stockpile of them, like I said. I'm going to grab the ones I haven't shown you guys really quick because they're just in my closet. And because there's one I'm really excited about, but I want you guys to let me know what you want me to do, like on a live or in a video in the future, if you want that. But it's just right over here. Oh my God, Annie, what are you doing on the table? You're being so wild. Are you being a wild girl? So wild. Oh my God, do I have 4? Okay, guys, it's been a little while. If I've showed some of these to you, I apologize, but here are some other examples. Macrame coasters, how cute. Oh my God, this is one I'm super excited about. Handmade soap, lavender and lemon. Make it all like, you know, nice spiritual, with my intentions and all that. So you can do like all Star Spangled Door hanger. And then, you guys, this is what I'm the most excited about because I love birds. I was watching some video. I don't know if it was like a TikTok because I don't really scroll TikTok, but someone was talking about like how when you're in your 30s, all of a sudden you start like recognizing birds, and that's like a sign of your age. I'm like, yes, it's so true. I love birds. But a birdhouse chime, like, I think this is what I want to make the most, but yeah, so I've kind of got a lot to make here, so you guys have to let me know what you think, but these are more examples, and this is just one of their craft subscriptions, you guys. So I think this is so fun. I am sorry I've been behind on unboxing these for some reason, but definitely recommend, and I love that they provide such a great discount, and sometimes they even give me a 75% discount. Like, it is so good, so worth it. Because it's just like, look at it, this will last like forever, you know? Like, you'll have these crafts you made. It's like you get this stuff every month, you get the experience, and you can do it with your family and friends or by yourself, your partner, whatever. So I would love to do it with you guys. Let me know what you think about the idea. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you're having a great weekend. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys super soon. Bye. Love you.